Azzaro por Homme 30 ml, Azzaro por Homme 50 ml, Azzaro por Homme the shower gel, and Azzaro por Homme the deodorant stick. So now I got myself another Azzaro por Homme, the 200 ml Eau de Toilette. So now let's see. Here it is. Here he is. Just like the other one, this looks the same, except this little one has the refillable printed there. This one just says Azzaro por Homme, Eau de Toilette, 200 ml, vaporisateur spray, 6.8 fluid ounces. From the side it's all black. Made in France, all black. The batch codes, but I tried to check the batch codes on these guys, but I don't find anything. I don't know what's going on. 19322, and I think it's the same on these little guys. I can't see anything there. No, it's a complete different number. I have to check the batch number on this guy. This is Azzaro por Homme, the classic scent from 1978. And to me, this is totally one of my absolute favorite scents of all time. I could almost say it's my signature. As far as perfumes go, this is one I've known since like years back. Like we're talking 1986, 87. I was just a kid. I might have been 12 years old or something. And I got a bottle of Azzaro por Homme for Christmas. Mind you, this was the 80s, so yeah, even kids could wear this strong, bold fragrance. So I got it for Christmas, and I remember I used to wear it to school and just about everywhere. And so I've grown to love this scent so much, so deeply appreciate this one. It's not discontinued, thank God. I used to wear it in the 80s, but then I did not think about it until just 2 years ago. I kept hearing on YouTube that people are really still appreciate it. So I was like, wow, Azzaro, that was a long time ago. So I got myself a 30 ml, and yes, it all came back to me. The memories, the 80s, my love for Azzaro por Homme. It is sensual for being a masculine scent, and I don't like to use that term, you know, masculine scent, because to me all scents are unisex. But this one in particular can be described as very masculine. Having said that, it is still beautiful, and it's seductive, and it is sexy to me. Honestly, this is sexy to me. Whenever I think of Azzaro, I think of the 80s man, a well-dressed gentleman from the 80s or earlier, even 70s. That kind of man that doesn't exist today, really. There's a movie called Fright Night, and I remember watching it when I was a kid. I love that film. It's very camp. It has so much gay undertones, very much. And I always imagined that Chris Sarandon in Fright Night 1985 would smell of Azzaro por Homme. It's just one of those things, you know, stuck in my mind. This one is the 30 mil. This one is the one I got first. But something must have happened to it because it's turned somehow. It's not really. Oh God, I love it. I love it so much. It still smells wonderful, but the thing is, it is a refillable bottle, so you can unscrew and refill. I don't know if that's the case, but whenever I spray it on, it's very harsh. It's like detergent-like. It is harsh, like it doesn't feel like this one, for example. This one is just, you can feel the patchouli, the lavender right off the top, and then the dry down is like totally amazing, and it's a complete different ball game. I don't know what happened. That's the 50 ml or milliliters, and this is the 200 milliliters. The reason I got a new one of these was because I got the shower gel and the deodorant stick all together, and I thought, yeah, let's get another 50 ml of Azzaro, and then this one was so much more beautiful than this little one, so I was like, wow, I need more of these. So I took a 200 ml. So now I'm gonna try the scent of this one and see how it is. Wow, it feels so good to hold. It feels so good to hold. That's weird. The big one is similar to this one. It's like really harsh. Whereas this one, you can see the color is different too. This one is darker. And these both are somewhat lighter. Or is it just me? I don't know. That was interesting. That was really interesting. These two are very much alike, but this one is completely different. Yeah, it's man, what's going on here? Yeah, they're really different. And I've tried to check the batch codes, but I cannot find anything. The batch codes are a joke, I think. These two are totally alike, but this one stands out being more fruity, sweeter, and it's still the eau de toilette. So it's not the intense or something, anything like that. It's just the same thing. How can it be? I mean, I'm smelling this one on this hand, and it's so warm, so spicy, so flowery somehow, and this one on this hand, it's a little bit different, but it's still Azzaro, right? It's still Azzaro. How different these scents are. The dry down from this on this hand is turning beautiful, but the dry down from this one is there's more patchouli here. That's the thing. There's more patchouli here. That's so weird. These two are very much alike. Very harsh in the opening. Very, very harsh. But the dry down is amazing. This one is fruitier, sweeter in the opening. And the dry down, of course, when in a complete dry down, they all turn the same. But I cannot get over the fact that they are so different to begin with. I don't know what it is. So this is my happy Azzaro family, and I love them so much, so much. Thanks for watching. Ciao.